Welcome everybody, coming to you with some XDC. If you look at that disclaimer, and we'll get right back into the charts this morning on XDC. I want to let you know that XDC is currently sitting at a price of 0.03426. It's up today 4.45%. We've had a huge spike here, but I was wanting to bring to you an update here on the 4-hour chart. And I want you to listen. XDC on the 4-hour chart is sitting at a critical level right now, as we can all see. We just saw a major volatility spike, just a strong wick, and the price is fighting right up under resistance. And I want you to know this ain't just this ain't a random price action. We're in the decision zone. Most of the cryptos is in the decision zone with the fundamentals we got the volatility, the VIX, it went up this morning, came back down. We got oil prices spiking, but all set aside, this is decisions on this video. I'm breaking it down to you. The breakout level bulls must clear. The support that cannot fail. The downside targets that we lose destruction, and why the next move could be more aggressive. So let's get into it. The current structure right now, XDC is trending, as we can see, around 0.0342 up, to 0.0343. And this is what we got. We got three major areas on this 4-hour chart that we're looking at here. We got resistance at 0.351 up to 0.361. And our mid-range is around 0.0343, and we got a demand zone at 0.0336. Now look at the structure. We've been making lower highs overall. Every push into 3.5 cents has been rejected. But here's what's interesting, y'all. The last candle wick hard to the upside and got rejected, and that tells us that liquidity is being hunted. This is expansion inside a compression structure that usually leads to a bigger move. And I'm gonna break it down to you on the bearish side of it as well as the bullish side, so you'll know what to look at. And I want to talk about the first, we're going to look at the bearish scenario, and let's talk risk first. If we lose 0.0336 cleanly on a 4-hour close, that demand zone is gone. And if that breaks, the next targets become 0.0325, 0.0318, possibly even 0.030. And if Bitcoin weakens at the same time, altcoins don't get mercy. Can we all agree? They just drop fast. This is why this green zone matters. It has held multiple times, as you can see on the chart, but the more times support gets tested, the weaker it becomes. And this is the bullish scenario of it, the bullish breakout. If we can do this, now flip it. What do bulls need? Simple. We need a strong 4-hour candle close above the 0.0355 up to the 0.0360. And we don't need a wick, not a fake breakout, a body closed above that red resistance band. If that happened, we're going to see the structure shift. Then targets open up to 0.0375. Then our next level is 0.0390. And if the momentum expands, we're going to have 0.042. And if you add that up, that becomes a 15 to 25% move quickly. because once range, range highs break, shorts get squeezed. And this is what the chart is really showing. And let's look at the bigger picture. We're seeing volatility spike, liquidity grab. We're getting a tight consolidation and lower time frame compression. Can't we all agree to that? That combination usually means a directional expansion is coming. By reading these charts, it means that we're going to go up higher. We could be going up higher. And the market is deciding, and it won't stay boring long. This is the type of structure that traps impatient traders, then explodes when nobody expects it. And we've seen this time and time again. People sell off, and just all of a sudden, it seems like as soon as you sell off the price of any crypto, it seems like it just explodes up in price. And this is the market context of this all. Now let's talk reality. XDC does not move alone. If Bitcoin pushes up, breakout becomes more likely. So keep watching. This is what you need. In every video, I tell everybody, look at Bitcoin. If you hold an XRP, it don't matter what you're holding, Canton Network, XDC, Stronghold, all these cryptos that we cover, it's always important to keep a look on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rejects and rolls over, that green support gets tested hard. And what's going to happen? And this, you got to understand that liquidity drives everything. Always watch Bitcoin at the same time. So I got a question for you. Does XDC break the 0.036 and run towards 4 cents? Or do we lose 0.0336 and flush lower first? Let me know in the comments where you think XDC is going. That's all I'm asking. And let me know where you got in at on XDC. And if you like the content and you want to see more of these updates on XDC, just hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, y'all, so we can get these videos further out. And that's what I wanted to bring to you on XDC. Very, very good token. Project tokenized real world assets. Going to be a awesome project to get into. It has its competitors out there, but I really do believe XDC is going to do great in the near future. I don't even know. Let me take off this. Let's see where the relative strength is sitting at on the 4-hour chart. As you can see right here, we're doing really good on the RSI also. I wanted to bring that to your attention. We are making higher highs and higher lows. And this, if you look at it on the RSI, price has been coming down, but we have been making higher highs and higher lows on XDC, and that's hidden bullish divergence. And I wanted to bring that to your attention also on the 4-hour chart. I like the 4-hour chart because it gives you anywhere between the mid and long-term range on XDC. Most traders, they use the 30-minute, 15-minute, and 1 hour. But I'm not a day trader. I'm more a long-term investor here on Captain America Crypto. And I like to bring tokens, projects that's going to be used in our real world for these real world assets, and XDC's at the front of the line. I do believe price may not necessarily reflect that right now, but as time moves on, the price of XDC is going to gradually go up, and anything invested it's going to be profit soon. More profits. You might have bought in lower. You could put that in the comments. If you did buy much lower, congratulations on where we're sitting at today. I don't think we're near all-time highs, but we will get back there. But like I say, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. I appreciate everybody that's here that joins this group. We do get comments here and there. Awesome comments. We're not bringing nothing, no hype or nothing to no. We're just trying to use all, real. We're trying to reach in and grab these, speak on these tokens that's going to be used all abroad, throughout the United States and countries abroad. And this is very important, because they're going to be tokenizing real world assets. And this is going to be very important for XDC. And it's going to be important for you to invest and get in on XDC. So we're going to leave you with that. We ain't going to keep you here too long, but wanted to give you an outcome on where XDC could be going. Because right now, it's showing that we could be moving up much higher. But with what's going on around us with Iran, I don't want to come here and say, hey, we're moving up, we're jumping, and all of a sudden something changed. It's just have patience. Buy on these red days, accumulate more XDC as you go along, what you can afford. Don't take bill money and buy these cryptos, because we're in a bear market. We're going to get plenty of time to accumulate, if not today, later. So, and XDC is going to go, my long-term range is going to go, it's going to get out of the pennies, and it's going to go up in the double and triple digits. I'm not saying 100 or 200. I'm talking about we're gonna get out of where we're sitting at 3 cents. We could get up in around 10, 15. Could even go up to $1 in the near future in this next bull run cycle. But right now we're in a bear market, and that's what I want to bring to you. So like I say, if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and God bless each and every one of you.